call this film Windy or What. I took some of these from outdoors as well, but I tried to put my fingers over the holes that let the sound in because it's so awful. I would have figured that tent would have took off a long time ago, but it just goes to show those poles really flex, and it's staked at every point, but you know, nothing more. It's not tied to the rings on the side of the boards there. So I don't know, I must be blowing maybe 30. I mean, you know, everything's standing straight out, so hard to say exactly what it's clocking, but what was really be fun is taking it down. I'm looking forward to that.